In this problem, we have to find the value of a plus b pi when cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is equal to a plus b cos inverse x, provided x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to minus 1 interval. There are other two parts of the same question, so we will solve one by one. So let's take the first part where cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is a plus b cos inverse x. I am taking left hand side and putting the value of x as cos theta. So I'll put x is equal to cos theta. So this implies theta will become cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this will become cos inverse of cos of 3 theta. Now I cannot simply convert this cos inverse of cos 3 theta equal to 3 theta, because first of all we have to check the principal branch of this function, right? We know that the principal branch of cos is 0 to pi, so that is based on the value of x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to minus 1. So first of all, when it was x, then it was minus 2 to minus 1. Okay, so we have converted this into theta, so we need to check where the theta is lying. So theta will be, so minus 1 is pi and minus 1 by 2 is pi minus pi by 3. So this will be 2 pi by 3 theta pi. So that means we can say cos of 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2 and cos of pi is minus 1. So if x lies between this interval, so theta will lie between 2 pi by 3 to pi. So but we have to check the value of 3 theta, so I can simply multiply this with 3. So this will become 2 pi less than equal to 3 theta less than 3 pi. Now we have to convert this value to 0 to pi, so I can simply add minus 2 pi here. So this will become 0 3 theta minus 2 pi less than pi. So now this is the principal branch of the cos, so I can write this cos inverse of cos 3 theta as cos inverse of cos of 3 theta minus 2 pi. Now this cos inverse of cos of 3 theta minus 2 pi can be written as 3 theta minus 2 pi, because we know that cos inverse of cos x is equal to x in its principal branch, which is 0 to pi, right? So now replacing the value, this is minus 2 pi plus 3 cos inverse x. Now if I compare the left hand side with the right hand side, so I'll get a is equal to minus 2 pi and b is equal to 3. So we'll get the value of a plus b pi as minus 2 pi plus 3 pi, that means pi. So this is the solution of the first part. Now for the second part, we have to find the principal value of sine inverse of sine a by b when x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, right? So the condition, the basic condition is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x is equal to a plus b cos inverse x is remain same. So till this position we can get the same value as cos inverse of cos of 3 theta. So now here the x belongs minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, so that means theta will be lying 2 pi by 3 to pi by 3, right? Now I can simply write it as pi by 3 less than equal to theta 2 pi by 3. After multiplying it by 3, so this will become pi 3 theta 2 pi. Now I need to convert this as a principal branch of cos, so this will become, I can add minus pi here, so 0 3 theta minus pi pi. Now I can replace cos inverse of cos of 3 theta by 3 theta minus pi. So this will be 3 theta minus pi, right? So if I adjust the value, minus pi plus 3 cos inverse x. So that means a is minus pi and b is 3. Now putting the value of a and b in sine inverse of sine a by b, so this will become sine inverse of sine of minus pi by 3. Now I can simply get the minus value out. So this is sine inverse of sine pi by 3. And we know that the principal branch of sine is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this will simply convert as minus pi by 3. So this is the solution for the second part. Now coming to the third part, where we have to solve the limit y approaches to a b cos y when x belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. So in this case, as x belongs to 1 by 2 to 1, so that means theta belong pi by 3 to 0, right? So we can simply write it as 0 theta pi by 3. Now I can multiply this with 3, so this is 3 theta pi. Now here it is 0 to pi, which is a principal branch of cos. So that means cos inverse of cos of 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. That means this is 3 cos inverse x. Now comparing the value left hand side to the right hand side, so we will get a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 3. Now we got the value of b and a, so we can simply solve this limit as limit y approaches to 0 3 times cos of y. Now after solving this limit, this is cos 0 is 1, so that means this is 3. So this is the solution for the third part.